I don't even know what to say about this. Determined to make 100% carnivore pizza crust that wasn't soggy, that I could literally hold, that I was holding that. Now, I want you to try this with me and see what we think. I want a crispy crust. Like, I'm tired of all this chicken product and soggy egg. You know what I'm saying? Me and you have been looking for a pizza. So I want you to try it. I want your honest opinion. I have on my mic.
What's the best pizza we've had so far?
Ah, the best pizza we've had so far, you just said. "100% carnivore for you guys." And this is a 10 out of 10. Thanks for popping back, guys. I'm Karen. I'll see you on my next video. Take care.